Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss how to create other contacts within Splendid accounts. Other contacts are, for example, neither your customer nor your vendor. If you're conducting a separate dealing with someone who or perhaps for some business purpose, you've either received or paid an amount to them, or if you wish to maintain a record within Splendid accounts for any other contact, a different individual who is distinct from a customer or vendor, then how can you proceed to create such a contact? So in order to do this, the very first thing that you will do is click on setup. Then within the list, you are going to click on the option for other contact. After that, you will click on add other contact, and right here in this specific field, you will enter the name of the other contact. You can enter the other contact's name, including their print name, display name, email, phone, etc. If you've created a custom category for the other contact, you can select it from here. You can create this contact in whichever currency you wish to deal in. Say whatever currency you choose to create here, once you save it, you won't be able to change that currency. So please make sure to carefully consider and select the appropriate currency for this contact, because it cannot be modified or changed at a later stage. Additionally, if you want to link an account to another contact, you can link that account with this contact. By default, whenever you make a collection or a payment using this contact, when you select the contact, the key to the account that I choose for it will be displayed there within the contact. And you can also change it there if you wish. And here you can assign any account you want to them. You can add it with them. And besides, if you want that the accounts currently appearing here are not suitable for you and you need to create and provide a completely separate account, then for that you can go to the chart of accounts under the expense head and create an account, and then you can easily add it here. It's simple. You can then add details like the address, city, state, and so on. If you wish to include a contact person or any further details, you can do so right here. To create another contact, you will simply write the contact's name in this section, fill in all the fields marked with a red asterisk, and after that, click on Save and Close. Your additional contact will then be successfully created. So then in this video, we have discussed the process of creating an other contact direct as someone who is neither our customer nor a vendor within the Splendid system. And this is how it's accomplished. Thank you.